I chose UNH Manchester because I was lucky enough to have really good grades in high school and got a full ride through the Millyard Scholars Program. The Millyard Scholar Program is a scholarship program where you have your first year basically built in for you. It's heavily personalized, and the smaller classes and smaller community helps with that so much. It's setting you up for success. It's a great group of people, especially the professors. They will help you find research opportunities or even research with them, like I'll be doing next semester. My personal group project, we're testing to see if there's a way that we can find new antibiotics from waste of animals. I'm really excited to think I could be working on a brand new antibiotic that could save lives. There's a lot of opportunities here to grow. With the Accelerated Master's Program, you can do your master's and your bachelor's at the same time, which is what I'm planning on starting in the spring. When I'm done at UNH, I plan on going to medical school. I really want to work at either Boston Children's Hospital or St. Jude's because I want to work with pediatrics, but pediatrics oncology is ultimately the goal.